Are you looking for ways to earn extra income? Would you like to discover new and unconventional routes to boost your earnings? In the ever-evolving landscape of earning opportunities, the concept of side hustles has taken the world by storm. They're not just about making an extra buck anymore. They're about tapping into unseen potential and exploring avenues that traditional jobs might not offer. This rising popularity of side hustles is a testament to the fact that people are continuously seeking exciting, flexible, and rewarding ways to build wealth. And the best part? There's a whole universe of unconventional side hustles waiting to be discovered. These aren't your run-of-the-mill part-time gigs. These are unique ventures that can help you flex your entrepreneurial muscles, challenge your creativity, and potentially set you on a path to financial freedom. Stay tuned as we delve into some of the most unique and lesser-known side hustles that you can start today. First on our list is renting out your car. Now that's right, your four-wheeled buddy could be your ticket to an impressive passive income. Imagine this, your car, when not in use, could be making money for you. It's as simple as it sounds. There are platforms out there like Turo and Getaround that allow you to list your car for rent. The process is straightforward and safe, with these platforms offering insurance coverage to protect your vehicle. And the best part? You get to set your own rental rates. Depending on your vehicle type and location, you could earn hundreds, even thousands of dollars per month. It's like having a part-time job, but without the extra work. This venture is especially beneficial if your car spends more time in the garage than on the road. So if your car spends more time in the garage than on the road, this could be a profitable opportunity for you. Ever thought of being paid for companionship? Well, being a virtual friend is a real thing. In this digital age, people are looking for companionship and connection more than ever. And there are platforms out there that can help you cash in on this need. Websites like Rent a Friend or Friend PC can connect you with people who are willing to pay for your time and friendly conversation. Imagine this. You spend an hour chatting with someone halfway across the world, sharing stories, offering advice, or simply lending an empathetic ear. And at the end of that hour, you have a little extra cash in your pocket. It's not just about the money though, it's about the connections you make and the positive impact you can have on someone's day. The potential income varies, but it's not uncommon to make anywhere from $10 to $50 an hour. A great way to earn while making someone else's day brighter, isn't it? Next up is participating in market research. Now this is a side hustle that not only benefits you, but also helps businesses improve their products and services. Here's how it works. Companies, big and small, are always on the hunt for consumer opinions. They want to know how you feel about their products, what you like, what you don't, and what could be improved. And guess what? They are willing to pay for this information. Platforms like Vindale Research or Swagbucks serve as a bridge between you and these companies. You sign up, participate in surveys and market research studies, and you get paid. It's as simple as that. The potential earnings vary, but with consistent participation, you can make a decent amount of money. Some people even make a few $100s a month from this side hustle. And the best part, you're not just earning money, you're voicing your opinions, making an impact and influencing the market. Your opinion matters, and in this case, it could earn you some extra cash. How about transforming your backyard into a money-making space? Yes, you heard it right. Your backyard, that patch of greenery you've been neglecting, could be your next side hustle. Homeowners can rent out their backyards for a variety of activities, from events like weddings and parties to camping or even gardening. Consider platforms like Gamping or SniffSpot. These platforms connect homeowners with people looking for unique spaces. Gamping, for instance, is all about camping in private gardens. On the other hand, SniffSpot is designed for dog owners looking for safe and private areas for their pets to play. The potential income from this side hustle can be quite impressive. It's dependent on size, location, and amenities. But imagine earning an extra few $100s a month just by sharing your outdoor space. It's all about tapping into hidden opportunities and making your assets work for you. Turn your outdoor space into a lucrative venture. There you have it, 4 unconventional side hustles you probably haven't considered. Let's take a quick jog down memory lane. We explored the potential of renting out your car, a concept that turns your vehicle into a source of income when it's not in use. We delved into the intriguing world of being a virtual friend, a role that offers companionship and conversation to those who seek it, all from the comfort of your own home. We also discussed the concept of participating in market research. This side hustle not only rewards you for your time and opinions, but also gives you a sneak peek into upcoming products and services. And finally, we broached the idea of renting out your backyard, an innovative way to monetize your outdoor space, especially if you live in a location with high demand for events or garden space. Each of these side hustles holds the potential to generate extra income, and perhaps even more importantly, they offer the opportunity to explore new avenues that may align with your interests and lifestyle. They are not your conventional 9-to-5 jobs, but rather unique paths that can lead to financial growth and personal satisfaction. The beauty of these side hustles is that they can be tailored to suit your schedule, capabilities, and preferences. They allow you to leverage what you already have, be it a car, a backyard, your sociability, or your curiosity. So why not delve into these opportunities? Why not tap into these hidden wealth-building avenues? They may seem unconventional now, but who's to say what the norm will be in the future? The world is rapidly evolving, and so are the ways to earn a living. So as we wrap up, remember this. The key to a successful side hustle lies in finding something that aligns with your interests and lifestyle. So, go ahead and explore these unconventional side hustles, and who knows, you might just find your next big thing. Please like and subscribe for tips as you journey towards financial freedom.